experience.
Cape Broyle, also known as Broyle Head, is a prominent headland located on the southwestern coast of Newfoundland, Canada. It is situated near the town of Port aux Basques, which is a significant transportation hub for Newfoundland as it serves as the island's primary ferry terminal connecting it to mainland Canada. It lies on the southern shore of the island, facing the Gulf of St. Lawrence. Cape Broyle is characterized by its rugged cliffs and rocky shoreline, typical of the coastal landscape of Newfoundland. The headland juts out into the Gulf of St. Lawrence, offering expansive views of the surrounding waters. While Cape Broyle may not have as extensive a historical record as some other areas of Newfoundland, it likely holds significance in the maritime history of the region due to its strategic location along the coast. The area around Cape Broyle is known for its natural beauty, with dramatic coastal scenery and opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, birdwatching, and photography. Visitors to the Cape can enjoy stunning views of the ocean and surrounding landscape. Like much of Newfoundland's coastline, Cape Broyle is likely home to a variety of marine and bird species. Depending on the season, visitors may have the chance to spot seabirds such as gulls, puffins, and cormorants, as well as marine mammals like seals. Cape Broyle may be accessible by road, depending on the specific location and infrastructure in the area. Visitors traveling by car or bicycle may be able to reach viewpoints or trails near the Cape to enjoy the scenery. Overall, Cape Broyle offers a glimpse of the rugged beauty and maritime heritage that characterizes Newfoundland's coastline, making it a potentially rewarding destination for travelers exploring the island.